Hi everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper on May the 3rd 2020. We have three regular Sudokus: a binary Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and a killer Sudoku. Don't forget, we have also in this newspaper, let me see, six Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and a binary and a tectonic in the additional of this newspaper. So they have continued with the additional with extra Sudokus. Alright, a lot of Sudokus to solve, but first the binary Sudoku. And this regular Sudoku, binary Sudoku, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku. That means 5 ones and 5 O's are needed for in a row or in a column. There's always 5 ones and are always 5 O's in a row and in a column. Don't forget that other rules are no identical rows or columns are allowed. Alright, so let's get started. We have here a double one, and then a double one here, and then a double one here, then a double one here, then double one here, then double one here, and then double one here, and then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. That means the rest are ones. Yes. Then we have here a double O, here one, then one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, then one. Double one, here O, then O. Double O, here one, then one. Double one, here O, then O. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, then one. We have here in the first column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here one, then one. Double O here one, then one. Double O here one, then one. What can I do? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place here an O, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O. It should be a 1. If I place the O here, the 5th one, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this should be an 1. Double one, here and O, then O. Double one, here and O, then O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place the 1 there, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. I think we need to compare. Compare. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones in a row. So this cannot be an O, this should be an 1. If I place the O, the 5th O here, then we still have 3 ones in a row. So this cannot be a 1, this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1. Ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here and O, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1, double 1, here and O, then O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. This is number 5. 4. I think I need to compare now. Here. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. How about here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place the 5th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. We have here a double 1, here an O, then O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here an O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. Double O, here and 1, then 1. Double 1, here and O, then O. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright, for this binary Sudoku, a 10 by 10 binary Sudoku, it's a yeah, I'm very pleased about the time. Anyway, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. Thank you and bye bye.